with Fun. Myself, Sumaya Belu. Today, I'm going to explain more concepts related to circles. Students, the concepts that I'm going to explain today is very important because most of the time they ask in board examination. But definitely, just like other videos, we are going to do in a fun and in an activity based, so that when this question come in exam in an activity based, this diagram will be fit in your mind and you'll be able to tick on the correct answer. But before I start with the concept, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, the ones who have not subscribed. So let's begin with today's video. In 10th standard, at times in multiple choice question, they ask you, dash circle passes through one point. So now for this, I've taken one point and let's see how many circles can pass through this given point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Infinite circles can pass through a given point. So here, when the question comes, dash circles can pass through one point, your answer should be infinite circle can pass through a single point. The next question that they might ask in exam is, dash circle passes through 2 points. So for this, I've taken 2 points, and just like the previous one, same activity we are going to do. We are going to place a circle which will pass through points. So let's see how many circles can pass through 2 points. From this activity, it is clear that from 2 points, again infinite circles can pass through these 2 given points. I'll just go on placing the rings, and n number of rings can pass through these 2 given points. Ask in exam, dash circles can pass through 2 points. Your answer should be infinite circle can pass through 2 given points. The next question that they might ask in exam is, how many circle passes through 3 collinear points? So before I do this activity, you need to understand the meaning of collinear points. Here, what are collinear points? Here I'm having 3 points like point A, point B and point C. Now, if these 3 points are arranged in such a way that one line can pass through all 3 points, then those points are called as collinear points. Alright? And what is the meaning of non-collinear points? I'm going to tell you all further. So first, let us understand how many circle can pass through 3 collinear points. So I'm having 3 points here. Let me take a ring and try to pass these rings from this 3 point. Is it possible? Let's see. Suppose here, out of the 3 point, I've passed one ring. So here it passed from this 2 ring. This point is left. If I take another ring, it will pass through these 2 points. Then this point is left. Or if I take a bigger one, then it will pass from the first and the last ring. Then the middle point will be left. Thus, you will conclude that there will be no circle which will pass through all the 3 collinear points. So, when the question comes, dash circle passes through 3 collinear points, your answer will be no circles can pass through all the 3 collinear points. How many circle can pass through 3 non-collinear points? Now for this, you need to understand the meaning of non-collinear. In collinear points, all the points were arranged in such a way that one line can pass through them. But when I say 3 non-collinear points, the points are arranged in such a way that none of the line can pass through all 3 of the points. Like here, if I pass this line over these 2 points, then this point is left. If a line will pass through this 2 point, then this point is left. And if a line passes to this 2 point, then this point is left. So in non-collinear points, not a single line can pass through all the 3 points. So here I've taken 3 non-collinear points. Let us take it as point A, point B and point C. Now let's see how many circle can pass through all the 3 non-collinear points. So in this, it is clear that there will be one unique circle which is going to pass through all the 3 points. So thus, how many circle can pass through 3 non-collinear points? Your answer will be one unique circle can pass through all the 3 given points. So this was all about number of circle which can pass through 1 point, 2 points, 3 non-collinear points and 3 collinear points. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, click on the like button. See you all in the next interesting and innovative videos like this. Thank you.